In today's tutorial, we are going to create an animated kid story like this.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived two little girls named Lily and Emily.
With the help of 5 free AI tools, number 1, ChatGPT OpenAI to create the story, script and prompt. Number 2, Leonardo.ai to create the background and the character AI generated image. Number 3, sketch.metademolab.com to animate the characters. Number 4, Prime Voice AI to create the beautiful voiceover for different characters. And finally, Canva to assimilate all these and create an amazing story like this. So it should be a lot of fun. Let's begin. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and create an account there. Now you will have to create a small short story. So for me, I will have to give the command as make a short story within 200 words of two little girls who saved each other from a stranger, and also write a moral. Write the prompt and go to this green button to send message. My second command was make dialogues for the short movie out of the story in 100 words. So they have made the scenes, also the dialogues for each character in the movie. So once it is done, my third command was make prompts for creating text to images for these scenes. So I'll have to copy each prompt from here, and now let us head over to step number 2. Before moving forward to part 2 of this video, let us see how much such kids channel might earn. Now you can visually well see these are a few of the popular channels which are dealing with such stories. The approximate monthly earning varies from 5.2k to 82.4k. That's insane. And yearly earning comes around 61.8k to 989k. Step number 2, go to Google Chrome and type Leonardo.ai and enter. Here you can either go to this launch app option, otherwise you can go to this get early access option, and here type your mail ID and count me in. Once you get the early access, this sort of a mail would be sent to your mail ID. So you'll have to go to this link via which you should be accessing your account. Once you access your account, this is the dashboard which will open up. Now we will have to go to in the left hand side from bottom third option, AI image generation. Come here, and here you will have to paste your command. Now if you want to know what exactly is the command which I have used to generate my background images and other characters, you will get that in the description box below. So you can use the same, just you will have to change the part, like here I have given village background near a river between two hills. Only this part you will have to change for every command. You will have to select Leonardo diffusion, this option, as the fine-tuned model, and here Leonardo style. If you want to add some negative prompts, then you can give some negative prompt here as well by keeping this toggle on. I will be attaching the negative prompt in the description as well for you. Now let us see some other functionalities. In the left hand side, if you want 4 images, then accordingly you can change this. I wanted 2 images, so I have selected this. Here you don't have to do anything else, just you can change the dimension of the image as per your requirement. Here everything will be by default, and then go to generate option. Likewise, I have generated a couple of pictures. If I like this one, then there are some upgradation or upscaling possible. If you want, you can go for these 3 options, mainly these 3 options to give a better HD appeal. Once you are happy with it, go to this download image option and it will get downloaded in your laptop or computer. Once your characters and backgrounds are ready, now this is time to go for our step number 3. Step 3. Create animated characters. Now once you have downloaded all the characters, go to Google and type sketch.metademolab.com. Enter. This website will open. This is a very easy website to animate any image. So we will first have to go to upload photo option. Once you go to upload photo option, you take the photo which you have downloaded from Leonardo AI. Select the respective picture and go to open. Once you open, the picture will be shown here. Now I'll have to go to next. Then agree. So the frame should be adjusted and then go to next. If you find any distortion here, then you will have to go to this erase option and erase the extra part. So you can choose your brush size from here. So these should be nicely masked like that, and go to next. Next job is to keep these dots in a right place as per the names. So I have already adjusted them, and then go to next. Now you can do the further animation. You can choose any of the animations. If I take the walk animation, I'll have to just select the walk animation, and it will take a while to show me the walk animation. So okay, so if you are done, then go to this option, and here from the bottom 3 dots, go to this download option, and it will get downloaded. Likewise, you'll have to animate all the characters as per the scene. Let us move forward to step number 4, where we will be creating the AI generated voice for different characters. Go to Prime Voice AI. Take the 11 last Prime Voice AI option. Here you will have to again head over to your ChatGPT, and now one by one you will have to copy the dialogues. Choose a character from here. Like for me, Bella, this voice I am using for Lily's script generation or voiceover generation. So I will paste it here. You will have to go to speech synthesis basically. Other options you don't have to do anything, and then go to generate.
Emily, something doesn't feel right. Stay close to me.
Okay, so likewise you'll have to copy all your dialogues from your ChatGPT, because we have already made the scenes and dialogues, and create different voiceover for different characters of your movie. So once these are done, you will have to go to this download option, and it will get downloaded in your local folder. Now let us head over to step number 5, where we will be using Canva. Go to canva.com and open an account. Go to this video option. Otherwise, here also you can type YouTube video. Okay. I ideally go for this video option. You will have to straight away go to this upload option. Right? You don't need any template or anything, because we would be creating all the videos and all the scenes by our own. So here, after coming here, you will go to upload file option, and from here you will have to upload the voiceovers. Just select the voiceover and open. It will come in audio section. Then again you will have to go for the images which you have downloaded, animated characters. Those characters will be coming in video section, and also you need the images, static images, right? Now this is time we should be assimilating everything. I will be creating the first scene. The first scene says that Lily is saying, Emily, something does not feel right, so stay close to me. So I have created this image, so I have to right click and set this image as background. Now we will bring the characters. So I will go to video option, and here I will bring the first character, and I will bring the second character. These two are my characters, but the problem is these characters, animated characters which we have downloaded, those are having backgrounds. So to remove these backgrounds, we need a pro feature of Canva. If you want to use some other free softwares out of the Canva, then also it is fine. Otherwise, you can simply select it, go to edit video option and background remover. They will remove all the backgrounds. Similarly, this background also I will remove. So there we go. Both the characters are ready. So I'll just situate them here. Once this is done, now this is time to make the second slide. So therefore, I will have to go to these 3 dots on the top right hand side corner and go to duplicate page. Here we will not take the animated characters. Instead, we will take the static image when we will make them lip sync. So I will delete this character. I will also delete this video, and I will go to upload section. In the image, I will have to take this one and this one. Okay. Now for this image also I need to get rid of the background. That is again a pro feature of Canva. So select the image, go to edit photos and go to BG remover. Same way you can select the photo and go to BG remover. If it is the background removal of any image, you can jolly well use the Adobe background remover tool, which is free to be used. So Lily is saying this, therefore I will select Lily's character. Now see carefully. Now two things we will have to do. First of all, we will have to go to YouTube and you'll have to type in search bar lip sync green screen video. Okay, lip sync green screen video, and you get different lip sync green screen video. So you will have to choose one from here and we'll have to download that. Okay, and go to edit image option and background remover. That's why I told you background remover option will be used for a couple of times. Now make it small and then go to element section. Here you take a circle. Enter. I will take a circle like this. Now I will select the circle, go to this color option, then go to this plus option. See properly, I have selected the circle. From elements, I will take the circle. This is a free element. And then I will go to this color option and then this plus button. From here, I will take the picker. Now you come close to this area where you want Emily's lips to be hidden. And make sure this is small enough to cover Emily's lips. So I will be covering her lips like so. Go to this transparent option and make it a little transparent. Okay, so once this is done, you can select it and position it by clicking up and down arrow. If you are not happy with the color, then you can go to this particular option, this plus palette, and make it little fade away. I am okay with this color, therefore I will bring my lip here and make it little small. I will have to give a split and delete the extra part. Now I'll have to select Emily's picture and go to animate option. Here you will have to go to create an animation option. Here I will have to bring her from one pebble to another and close to Emily like so. Okay, and then I will give it a smooth effect, and you can also increase the speed like this. Once you are okay with it, go done. Okay, so my third scene is over. So now I will make the dialogues fit into it. Therefore, I have already created the dialogue which I have uploaded in. It has come to audio section. I have dialogue 1 here, so I will drag and drop it here in the second scene. Okay, from the beginning of the second scene. And now we will also have a voiceover at the beginning. Now in the first scene, I have a long dialogue. So if I want to stretch the scene and it does not get stretched, then you'll have to just duplicate it by right clicking on it and duplicate the same. Now it has just fit to my first dialogue. And then furthermore, if you want to get some beautiful audio effects like water drizzling or something like that, then you go to this audio section. From here you can type the whatever sound you want. Use any of this. I have uploaded my own. This is how you will have to edit scene by scene to create the complete animation. One thing is, in such videos you should not be giving any transition in between. Still, if you want to give any transition, then you go to this small tiny add transition option, and here you will get different types of transition. You can give that here. Okay, if you want to add any page, then again go here and then go to this add page option. It will add a page. And if you want to delete, go to these 3 dots and delete the page. If you want to change the volume of any dialogue, then select the sound or volume and then go to this volume option, and then you can increase or decrease it. Once you are satisfied, then you can go to this play button to see how does it look. And finally, you can go to this share button and go to this download option. Keep it in MP4. Select all the slides together by checking this part. If you want a particular slide, then you'll have to uncheck and select that particular part. I want the entire video to be downloaded, so go done and download. It will get downloaded to your folder. And now this is time to see how the final film has come up to be.
Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived 2 little girls named Lily and Emily. They were inseparable friends, with hearts full of kindness and imaginations that soared beyond the horizon.
Emily, something doesn't feel right. Stay close to me.
Who is he, Lily? He looks scary.
Well, well. What do we have here? Two little girls playing all alone.
Are you two in need of help, my young adventurers?
Yes. The wicked sorcerer wants to harm both of us. Please, save us.
These girls are stronger than they appear. I'll disappear before they get me.
Emily, we did it. Our friendship protected us.
A friend is not just someone to share laughter and joy with, but also a source of strength and support during times of adversity.
So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. If you are a struggling YouTuber, make sure you watch the video which is coming up next.
3 reasons why new YouTubers fail. First is, they only focus on creating content and they never invest time in learning how to do it in the right way. Second is, they don't know how exactly the videos go viral. They don't know how to pick up the right video topic which can help them to get more views as well. Third is, they are not aware of the features that are available in YouTube which can help them to get more views, subscribers as well. If you want to scale your channel 5x faster and earn more than 50,000 rupees per month by creating videos based on your passion, skill or talent, then YouTube Masterclass is for you. Just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. Hi, I'm Shriram Benur, content creator of channel A2C, which has more than 1 million plus subscribers. And right now, I have been coaching more than 2,000 plus students from across multiple countries. Rated 4.9 on Trustpilot. In the 90-minute YouTube Masterclass, you're going to learn why you should consider YouTube, how exactly YouTube works, what are the skills that are needed to be a YouTuber, 3 powerful strategies which can help you to get more views, more subscribers, more video engagement, more click-through rate, and which can help you to earn more money as well. So just click on the link below and register for 90-minute free YouTube Masterclass. See you live.
So I being his affiliate, I have already given the link in the description for his masterclass. Please do join in his masterclass and enrich your knowledge about being a YouTuber. If you are a new visitor to my channel, please consider to click the subscription button below and press the bell notification next to it. Please do like, share my content with others so that I can thrive every single day for creating better content for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.